In this video, we're going to go over our electric floor stripper. This uses special demolition attachments to remove ceramic tiles, vinyl, parquet, glued down carpeting, and cork from any type of flooring. The unit has a folding handle for easy transport. The stripper can be adjusted to 6 different angles depending on the task at hand. The equipment should be plugged into a 3-prong grounded outlet. For your safety, you should wear gloves, sturdy work shoes, eye and hearing protection. Avoid loose clothing and do not use the floor stripper on stairs. Always turn the machine off when adjusting the machine or changing tools. The wheel angle is adjustable and determines the angle of the blade to the floor. Generally speaking, a steeper angle works best on more difficult tasks like removing tile from concrete, and a low angle would be best for removing vinyl from wood floors. Handle height is also adjustable. Start with the handle around your belt line and experiment. Again, higher generally works best for difficult tasks and lower for work on softer subfloors. Narrower blades are best for difficult work. The bevel on the blade should be up for concrete and down for wood. Flooring, including carpet, should be scored every 10 to 12 inches for best results. Glued hardwood should be scored with a circular saw. If the subfloor is concrete, set the saw to miss the concrete. Clean dust and debris from vents. Use mild soap and water to clean the equipment. At Sunbelt Rentals, we rent the tools and equipment customers need to accomplish anything they want to do. I hope this basic operational guide to our electric floor stripper has given you all the information you'll need. For further information, please contact us at 1-844-SBR-TOOL. Thanks for watching.